How to install MongoDB on Windows 11. Hey guys, let's get started. So first of all, open any of your browser and search for mongodb.com. Once the official page is opened, you can hover around products and there you will see the option of Community Edition. Click on it and it will drag you to the new page. On this page, if you scroll down a bit, you will see Select Package. Click on it. On the first option, you can select the different version. Make sure to choose the current one. After that, you have to select your platform, which would be Windows in our case. Similarly, the third option is the package. It is better if you choose the MSI package. Now click on the download button and the download will start. Once the download is completed, installation process will start. Click on Next. Here you can see the agreement. Tap on I agree to it and click on Next again. Now you can either choose the complete setup option or custom setup. For now, we'll be choosing the complete one. And then we will click on Next. Here are different options which are default. You can simply click on Next. Now the installation will start. Click on Install button. This might take few seconds, so you have to wait patiently. Once the installation of all the packages is completed, you might have to reboot your device. Now click on Start and you will see the connection. You can check it by clicking on Connect button and you will see that the MongoDB is installed. Also, do not forget to set up the environment variable and you are good to go. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.